पुण्यं न पापं न सौख्यं न दुःखं न मन्त्रो न तीर्थं न वेदायज्ञम् अहं भोजनं न भोजनं नैव भोज्यम् न सदानन्दरूपम् अद्वैतम् सदानन्दरूपम् अद्वैतम् सत्यं शिवं सुन्दरम्
श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम्। गणानां त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमम् ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आनशृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम् प्रणो देवी सरस्वती वाजेभिर्वाजिनीवती धीनामविद्रवतु। गणेशाय नमः। सरस्वत्यै नमः। श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम्। साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्। ओम शांति शांति शांति।
Om Shri Sai Ram. Our most humble salutations at the divine lotus feet of our beloved Mother Sai and Supreme Sai Ram to all. Swagatam, Suswagatam. To commemorate the 95th birth year of our beloved Sai Ma, we, the Bal Vikas alumni of the state of Maharashtra, humbly present a musical offering, Sai Swaranjali, at the divine lotus feet. We are indeed very fortunate to be born in Sai Yuga and blessed to have our omnipresent, omnipotent and omniscient Sai Ma always with us. Premamayi Sai Ma, Jnanamayi Sai Ma. Mother's love is unconditional for her child. Mother's love is epitome of unconventional love. Mother is our first guru, a nurturer, protector. Mother is embodiment of forgiveness. Our Sai Ma is love personified. Kshama Murti Sai Ma, Prema Murti Sai Ma. Come, let us all enjoy today's musical offering, Sai Swaranjali, and be spellbound and contemplate on the glory of our beloved Sai Ma. We begin with our first offering with a melodious song, Tu Pyar Ka Sagar Hai, जय साई राम।
तू प्यार का सागर है, तू प्यार का सागर है, तेरी एक बूंद के प्यासे हम, तेरी एक बूंद के प्यासे हम, लौटा जो दिया तूने, लौटा जो दिया तूने, चले जाएंगे जहाँ से हम, चले जाएंगे जहाँ से हम, तू प्यार का सागर है, तू प्यार का सागर है। धन्य है धरती जिस पर तुमने साई जन्म लिया, तुमने जन्म लिया, दीन दुखी को गले लगाया, युग उपकार किया, युग उपकार किया, चांद और सितारे भी, चांद और सितारे भी तेरी जयकार करेंगे सदा, तेरी जयकार करेंगे सदा, तू प्यार का सागर है, तू प्यार का सागर है। तुम ही हमारे माता पिता साई, तुम ही प्राण सखा, तुम ही प्राण सखा, सब है पराए तुम ही तो अपने, तुमने प्यार दिया, तुमने प्यार दिया, कहते ही रहेंगे सदा, कहते ही रहेंगे सदा, कि तुमसे हो ना कभी भी जुदा, कि तुमसे हो ना कभी भी जुदा, तू प्यार का सागर है, तू प्यार का सागर है, तेरी एक बूंद के प्यासे हम, तेरी एक बूंद के प्यासे हम, तू प्यार का सागर है, तू प्यार का सागर है।
Om Shri Sai Ram. What a melodious and emotional song. तू प्यार का सागर है. God is an unfathomable ocean of love. God's love is pure, selfless, permanent and supreme. Our beloved Swami says, love is God, live in love. There are millions of living beings in this world. All of them have originated from God, and the same God is present in all of them. Ahamatma Gudakesha Sarvabhutashayasthitah Ahamadishcha Madhyancha Bhutanamanta Evacha. I am present in the form of Atma. People call God by various names: Rama, Allah, Jesus, etc. But God is only one. It is love that unites all. If you develop this attribute of unity, then all will become one. When you attain unity, you will have purity. And when you have purity, Atma Tattva or principle of self will manifest in you. Mother loves her children. All are the children of God. He loves all. He is beyond all ages and all forms. Only love is His true form. It is the same love that we see in all the forms. Therefore, every one of us should strive to develop love wholeheartedly. Then and only then can you experience bliss. So long as you have love, you cannot be devoid of bliss. You should think God is in me, with me, around me, above me and below me. Wherever you see, the same God is present there. Develop this feeling of oneness. Then you will attain highest bliss. Our next song, Ishwar Prem Swaroop Hai, tells us that love as thought is truth. Love as action is righteousness. Love as feeling is peace. Love as understanding is non-violence. As love is the undercurrent of all human values. Jai Sai Ram.
ईश्वर प्रेम स्वरूप है, 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 ईश्वर प्रेम स्वरूप है। मानवता का मूलाधार, रिश्तों नातों का आधार। मानवता का मूलाधार, रिश्तों नातों का आधार। प्रेम से निर्माण विश्व का प्रेम के सगरंग रूप है। ईश्वर प्रेम स्वरूप है, ईश्वर प्रेम स्वरूप है, ईश्वर प्रेम स्वरूप है, ईश्वर प्रेम स्वरूप है, ईश्वर प्रेम स्वरूप है। प्रेम विचार ही सत्य है, प्रेम कर्म ही धर्म है। प्रेम विचार ही सत्य है, प्रेम कर्म ही धर्म है। प्रेम भाव ही शांति है, प्रेम बुद्धि अहिंसा है। प्रेम भाव ही शांति है, प्रेम बुद्धि अहिंसा है। प्रेम ही ऊर्जा प्रेम शक्ति है, प्रेम के हम अंश रूप है। ईश्वर प्रेम स्वरूप है, ईश्वर प्रेम स्वरूप है, ईश्वर प्रेम स्वरूप है, ईश्वर प्रेम स्वरूप है, ईश्वर प्रेम स्वरूप है। ईश्वर को क्या दान करें हम, ईश्वर को क्या दान करें हम। सब कुछ तो है उसने दिया, प्रेम भरा एक हृदय हमारा। देंगे तो कुछ काम किया, हम भी प्रेम स्वरूप है, हम भी प्रेम स्वरूप है। ईश्वर प्रेम स्वरूप है, 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 ईश्वर प्रेम स्वरूप है।
The literal meaning of the word Guru is Gu means darkness or ignorance. Ru, its removal. So a Guru removes ignorance from his disciple. Guru is like a potter molding the personality of the child. Guru is like a gardener who sows the seed of values in a child and nurtures it. Guru is like a sculptor who chisels a stone into an admirable piece of art. Swami says the first Guru is the mother. Her advice, her example, her admonition affects man deepest and longest. Second is the father, who is admired by the child for his strength and knowledge and fear for the punishments he inflicts. Next is the teacher, who leads him and guides him into the maze of material knowledge. But a Guru alone can open the inner eye and cleanse the inner instrument of intuition. He induces you to question yourself. Am I this body? Or is this body only a vehicle that I am using? And discover the answer, I am not this body. Then the investigation starts to delve into the reality of the I. Who am I then? And the answer reveals itself into the purified consciousness. Soham. I am He. I am the spark of that glory. I am divine. Guru has another meaning too. Guru means Gunatitha, beyond the three upper strands of energy of which the cosmos is composed. Roop means Rupa Rahita, devoid of any particular form. So, God alone can be described as unaffected by these. God is the Guru, right in your heart, ready to lead and enlighten. He is all-knowing, all-powerful, and all-pervading. There is no Guru other than the one divine. As long as you consider yourself as a mere human being, you may regard yourself as a disciple. But when you realize that you are the embodiment of Atma, you become your own Guru. Seek refuge in yourself. Recognize your reality. That is the right path. That is the right way to revere the Guru. Guru's role is to lead the students on the Godward path. Let us enjoy the next song extolling our Sai Guru Ma, Sai Sadguru, Jagat Guru.
साई सद्गुरु जगत गुरु तेरी महिमा अपरंपार, तेरी महिमा अपरंपार। साई सद्गुरु जगत गुरु तेरी महिमा अपरंपार। सृष्टि के कण कण में बहता, सृष्टि के कण कण में बहता भव्य दिव्य तेरा प्यार। साई सद्गुरु जगत गुरु तेरी महिमा अपरंपार। मेरा जीवन कोरा कागज, तू है चित्रकार। भर दे इसमें श्रद्धा भक्ति प्यार के रंग हजार। साई सद्गुरु जगत गुरु तेरी महिमा अपरंपार। मेरा Salutations to our Sai, Sadguru Jagadguru. What a meaningful and convincing song. Swami says, women are the repositories of truth and culture. Though earth is one, the plants vary depending on the seed sown. The womb of a mother symbolizes Mother Earth. As is the seed of thought sown in it, so is the fruit it eats. The mother's womb is filled with good thoughts, good words, and good deeds. Aryamba was a woman of virtues of noble character. She spent all her time in the contemplation of God and undertaking noble deeds. As a result, Jagadguru Shankaracharya was born in her sacred womb. Noble souls like Vivekananda and Ramakrishna Paramhansa could attain exalted positions in their lives only due to the sacred feelings of their mothers. A mother protects her child from all the evils of this world. The love of a mother is nobler and supreme than the love of all the friends and the relatives in the world. The sacredness of a mother's heart and the strength of her blessings are unparalleled. No one can describe the love of a mother in words. Hence, one should respect and love his mother. We must worship our mother as God. It is only by the love of the mother that divine feelings develop in the children. Let us offer the next song in the lotus feet of our beloved divine Mother Sai. O Sai Ma, O Sai Ma.
O Sai Ma, O Sai Ma, O Sai Ma, O Sai Ma, हम बच्चों की प्यारी माँ, हम बच्चों की प्यारी माँ, प्यारी माँ साई माँ, प्यारी माँ साई माँ, प्यारी माँ साई माँ, साई माँ, प्यारी माँ साई माँ, बच्चों की प्यारी माँ साई माँ, प्यारी माँ साई माँ, प्यारी माँ साई माँ, प्यारी माँ साई माँ। ओ साई माँ, ओ साई माँ, ओ साई माँ, ओ साई माँ।
Bhagwan Sri Satya Sai Baba speaks on Mother. More fragrant than the sweet smelling flowers, the jasmine and the champa, softer than the cheese and butter, more beautiful than the eye of the peacock, more pleasant than the moonlight is the love of the mother. Swami has taught us to worship 5 mothers. Deha Mata, the mother that gave birth to this body. Go Mata, the cow that gives sustaining milk. Bhu Mata, the land that grows crops that feed the body. Desha Mata, the native country that gives protection, love, care, respect, rights, and chances to serve oneself to one's full height. And Vedamata, the heritage of spiritual treasures that aims to reveal the purpose of human life and takes one step by step towards the goal of self-realization. Dear friends, as Balvikas alumni, we all remember our first day of Balvikas. Our mother introduced us to our Balvikas class and our Balvikas Guru. Our Balvikas Guru, our Guru Ma, introduced us to our dearest Sai Ma. We are indeed fortunate to have omnipresent Sai Ma amongst us, guiding us, helping us, showering blessings on us. Kshama Murti Sai Baba, Prema Murti Satya Sai. Let us experience a song on this. Pyari Ma.
प्यारी माँ, इस दिल के हर कण में तेरा नाम गाए, दिल हर पल हर लम्हा सोचे तेरी सूरत साई माँ। प्यारी माँ, इस दिल के हर कण में तेरा नाम गाए, दिल हर पल हर लम्हा प्यारी माँ, प्यारी माँ, प्यारी माँ, साई माँ।
Om Shri Sai Ram. Another beautiful rendition. Pyari Ma. Oh beloved Sai Ma. What a touching song. Swami says, I have come to light the lamp of love in your hearts, to see that it shines day by day with added luster. I have not come to speak on behalf of any particular religion, nor have I come to collect followers for any doctrine. I have no plans to attract disciples or devotees into my fold or any fold. I have to come to tell you this universal faith, this Atmic principle, this path of love, this duty of love, this obligation of love. Swami is our role model and has taught us the way of life divine. He has transformed many individuals, transforming self to transform the world. He has made us realize that there is nothing like others. Everything is one. This is Atma Tattva, Swami initially said. My life is my message. Then Swami changed the statement of my life is my message to your life is my message. What does that mean? It means that devotees from all over the world to practice his teachings. Love all, serve all, help ever, hurt never. Manav Seva is Madhav Seva. Be good, do good, see good. That is the way to God. The time has come for each one of us to live up to the ideals shown by Bhagwan. Let us participate in various activities of Sri Satya Sai Seva organizations and extend our service in 3 wings of Sri Satya Sai organization, namely the Seva wing, the education wing, and the spiritual wing. This is what the next song, Let Our Life Be His Message, tells us. Sai Ram.
This is a book of our life. Sai had signed on every page. Let our lives be His message. Let our life be His message. Let our life be His message. Let our life be His message. Love all, serve all, this is our aim. Life is beautiful, life is a game. Love all, serve all, this is our aim. Life is beautiful, life is a game. Play it, win it, take this challenge. Play it, win it, take this challenge. Let our life be His message. 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 Let us not fear, He is always here. Follow the truth and He will take care. Let us not fear, He is always here. Follow the truth and He will take care. He will give us strength and courage. He will give us strength and courage. Let our life be His message. 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 Help help ever and hurt never, obligingly talk ever. Help ever and hurt never, obligingly talk ever. You be happy and make others happy. This is real, a bird life is a cage. Let our life be his message. 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 Burn desire, living the lust. Refrain from anger, that is a must. Travel ahead with lesser luggage. Travel ahead with lesser luggage. Let our life be his message. Let our life be his message. Let our life be his message. Let our life be his message.
Bal Vikas is a divine gift given to us by our beloved Saima. Bal Vikas, blossoming of human excellence. Human values can neither be imbibed through textbooks nor can they be gifted by anyone. They are inherent within each individual, and the Shri Satya Sai Bal Vikas program provides the right environment for these latent human values to blossom and empowers each child to unfold the innate values within oneself to the highest perfection, bringing an intrinsic transformation in children who are the torch bearers of tomorrow's society into the path of self-inquiry and self-discovery. Shri Satya Sai Bal Vikas is very dear and near to our heart. We were indeed very fortunate to be introduced to Bal Vikas in our childhood days. We now can understand the true importance of walking through this divine path. Bal Vikas helped us and will help us in future to hold us strongly rooted to the 5 universal human values: Satya, Dharma, Shanti, Prem, Ahimsa. These values help us make the right decisions by following the 5 Ds: duty, dedication, discipline, discrimination, determination. As Bal Vikas alumnus, we need to carry this legacy forward. Let us all together express our gratitude to our beloved Sai Ma, singing, "We love you, dearest Sai, we love you. हमको तुमसे प्यार कितना."
हमको तुमसे प्यार कितना, हमको तुमसे प्यार कितना, साई तुम ही जानते, साई तुम ही जानते, दिलों की धड़कन तुम हो साई, दिलों की धड़कन तुम हो साई, निसन्निधि माकु पेन्निधि निसन्निधि माकु पेन्निधि नीदु चूपे प्राण समानं नीदु चूपे प्राण समानं नीको माकु के बंधनो हरे हमको तुमसे प्यार कितना हमको तुमसे प्यार कितना साई तुम ही जानते साई तुम ही जानते दिलों की धड़कन तुम हो साई दिलों की धड़कन तुम हो साई तुम हमारे प्राण हो तुम हमारे प्राण हो हमको तुमसे प्यार है हमको तुमसे प्यार है We love you dear Sai we love you We love you dear Sai we love you We love you dear Sai we love you
मधुर मधुर साई दिव्य संदेश मधुर मधुर साई दिव्य संदेश भवसागर तार का दिव्य संदेश साई संदेश दिव्य संदेश साई संदेश दिव्य संदेश
ప్రేమ స్వరూపం
మానవుడు ఎంత చదువు చదివినప్పటికీ ఆ చదువు సమాజంలో వినియోగం కాకుండా ఆ చదువు చదివి ప్రయోజనం లేదు.
मानव चाहे जितना भी सुशिक्षित क्यों न हो, परंतु यदि उसकी शिक्षा समाज हित के लिए उपयोगी न हो तो वो व्यर्थ है.
ఈ చదువును విని అనుభవించి వారు అతన్ని ప్రేమించారు.
सभी शिक्षाओं का अनुभव पाकर उसके अनुभव से सभी को प्रेम की प्राप्ति होनी चाहिए.
ओम जय जगदीश हरे स्वामी सत्य साई हरे भक्त जना संरक्षक भक्त जना संरक्षक प्रति महेश्वर ओम जय जगदीश हरे शशि वदना श्रीकरा सर्वा प्राणपते स्वामी सर्वा प्राणपते आश्रित कल्पलटिका आश्रित कल्पलटिका आपदान्धवा ओम जय जगदीश हरे माता पिता गुरुदैवं मरि अंतयु नीवे स्वामी मरि अंतयु नीवे नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नागेन्द्राशयन ओम जय जगदीश हरे ओंकार रूप ओजस्वी सत्य साई महादेवा मंगल आरती अंध को मंगल आरती अंध को मंदर गिरिधारी ओम जय जगदीश हरि नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा शांति शांति शांति
समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु शांति 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 जय बोलो भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबा